Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply nice evening makeup with just 4 products. It will work perfectly if you have to go out after a long day at work or if you are minimalist when it comes to makeup. So let's get started. So the products that we're going to use today is foundation, mascara, black pencil and lipstick. So we will start with applying foundation. I have already cleaned my face and applied moisturizing face cream, and now I will apply foundation. During this presentation you will see that I will mostly use my fingers, as maybe you don't have brushes or you haven't taken it with you, so it can all be done just with your fingers. So you apply foundation all over your face, also on your eyelids, and pay extra attention under your eyes because we don't have any concealer, so we'll try to mask these dark circles with the foundation. Next thing, what I can do to make my face a bit more lively, I will add the lipstick on my cheeks. So you don't want to put it straight on your cheeks because it will be just too much and too bright. So what you do, you add a bit of the lipstick on your hand and then with your fingertip add it on your cheek. This way you really have control on how much the color is going on your cheek and exactly where. And you do the same for the other side. Make sure to blend it out nicely. And as you see, now I look a little bit more blushed. Okay, so this is it for my cheeks. And now we move to the eye zone. So I have a black pencil. Make sure that your pencil is soft and sharp. So first thing that I can do, and if you also have dark hair, you can do the same. You can contour your brows a bit. Just make sure to add a very little amount of the pencil, otherwise it will be too dark and your brows will look really unnatural. The same for the light hair owner, the black pencil might not be the best option for you. So I add a bit of the pencil and I blend it out with my finger. Just very little and blend it out. My brows are done now, and let's move to the eyes. So what you do, you add your black pencil as your eyeliner, as you do on regular basis. The next thing, I will do a little bit of a cat eye. Add a little bit of lipstick and you're ready for the day. But as I said, we are making an evening makeup. So next thing that we do a little bit of a smoky eye. And I will do that with the pencil. And what you do, you take your pencil on the side and you color in. And the next thing, you take your finger and you blend it out. If you have a hooded eye the same as I do, make sure that you blend it out all over. And once you're done with one eye, you do the same for the other one. And this is what you can do with your eyeliner. Next thing, of course, you can add lipstick to your lips. And last thing, of course, mascara. But if you see that this is nice, but I want to go darker, then of course you can add more of the pencil and go it all over your lid and make a full smoky eye look. And voila, this is my version of nice evening makeup with just 4 products. Of course, this makeup won't be as long lasting as the one where you use the primer, the powder or makeup set spray. But as you have only 4 products, it's very easy and fast to renew it and make it look good for the whole night. And by the way, if you like how my hair are looking in this video as well, we have another one where we show how to curl your hair without heat, and this version comes from the socks, so check that out later. And I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up and show your support by hitting the subscribe button below, and we'll see you soon, where my partner in crime Laura will show you another way how to apply day makeup with just 4 products, where instead of the black pencil we will use the brown one, as it has way more options how to use it and where to apply it. Thank you and see you soon. Bye!